The number guessing game is an engaging project for beginners to learn Python. You'll program the computer to randomly select a number within a specified range. The player then guesses the number, using loops and conditional statements to refine their attempts. This project enhances understanding of user input handling and builds confidence in coding. In this chapter, you'll create a simple interactive game where the player guesses a secret number chosen by the computer. The computer selects a number within a user-defined range, and the player guesses it in minimal attempts. This project introduces Python fundamentals, including loops, conditionals, and user input handling, perfect for beginners to build confidence. Building a number guessing game hones your skills in loops and conditionals, essential for controlling game flow. You'll utilize Python's random module for generating unpredictable numbers, enhancing game excitement. Master input validation to handle errors gracefully, ensuring a smooth user experience. Create a real, shareable program, perfect for your portfolio. The game begins by setting a range, allowing users to choose difficulty. The computer then generates a secret number within this range. Players guess, receiving feedback like too high or too low, until they guess correctly or exhaust attempts. Key features include customizable difficulty, an attempt counter, and clear feedback, enhancing the gaming experience. The game logic flowchart outlines the entire process: setting the range, initializing the game loop, generating a random number, and checking player guesses. Feedback is provided based on whether guesses are too high, too low, or correct. This understanding is crucial for implementing the code effectively. To create an unpredictable secret number, import Python's random module. Use random.randint, open parenthesis, a comma b, close parenthesis, to generate a random integer within a specified range. Store this number in a variable, such as secret_number, to compare against player guesses. This randomness is crucial for the game's unpredictability and player engagement. You've completed your first interactive Python game, mastering variables, input/output, and data types. You structured a game loop, handled user input, and provided feedback. This project honed your problem-solving skills, enabling you to break down problems and implement solutions incrementally. These foundational skills are crucial for future programming endeavors. The number guessing game code integrates random number generation, loops, and conditional logic. It prompts users to guess a number between 1 and 20, providing feedback on each attempt. The game continues until the correct number is guessed, demonstrating practical application of Python fundamentals in a fun, interactive way.